Clear, prop. Here comes the run-up.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking this morning at the, we've just taken the double bead seal off as part of an installation, and we wanted to call your attention that when your windshield is installed, this is the windshield bow right here. The windshield is here, and you want these two to end at the same point, so this is flat. When they installed this windshield, they didn't get it quite right. There's a little bit of a gap, as you can see, where the windshield is actually forward of the bow. And then right here, you can see where it sticks proud. It wasn't sanded down flat. And this is probably where the air leak is coming from that we're doing the seals to replace it. We may actually have to do some sanding here on the windshield to get it to sit properly. But anyway, it sits proud all the way along the top over here to about the 45-degree point. Then it goes back to being indented again, and then it finally comes back level down here. So when you're installing your windshield, you want to clamp all this together, and you want this bead to end right here. You want it to be one vertical substance. So whoever marked and scribed this didn't get it quite right. But anyway, we just wanted to call that out to our attention. Take a look at yours when you have your double bead seal off, or if it's bad enough and you can see it without, take a look at it. So we hope you found this informative. We'd like to thank you for watching Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, and have a good day flying your Grumman. Thanks for watching.